What are strings? In Python, anything that you enclose between single or double quotation marks is considered a string. A string is essentially a sequence or array of textual data. Strings are used when working with Unicode characters. Example: name is equal to Shubham. Print hello plus name. Output: hello Shubham. Note: it does not matter whether you enclose your strings in single or double quotes, the output remains the same. Sometimes, the user might need to put quotation marks in between the strings. Example: consider the sentence, he said, I want to eat an apple. How will you print this statement in Python? He said, I want to eat an apple. We will definitely use single quotes for our convenience. Print, he said, I want to eat an apple. Output: he said, I want to eat an apple. Multi-line strings. If our string has multiple lines, we can create them like this. A is equal to lorem ipsum dollar sit amet. Consectatur adipicing elit. Sed du ius mod tempia incidentat. Labor et dolore magna aliqua. Print A. Accessing characters of a string. In Python, string is like an array of characters. We can access parts of string by using its index, which starts from 0. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. Print name 0. Print name 1. Looping through the string. We can loop through strings using a for loop like this. For character in name. Print character. Above code prints all the characters in the string name one by one. String slicing and operations on string. Length of a string. We can find the length of a string using lay function. Example: fruit is equal to mango. Lay1 is equal to lay fruit. Print mango is a lay1 letter word. Output: mango is a 5-letter word. String as an array. A string is essentially a sequence of characters, also called an array. Thus we can access the elements of this array. Example: pi is equal to apple pie. Print pi 5. Print pi 6 hash returns character at specified index. Output: apple I. Note, this method of specifying the start and end index to specify a part of a string is called slicing. Slicing example: pi is equal to apple pie. Print pi 5 hash slicing from start. Print pi 5 happy smiley hash slicing till end. Print pi to 6 hash slicing in between. Print pi minus 8 happy smiley hash slicing using negative index. Output: apple pie. Sleepy. Apple pie. Loop through a string. Strings are arrays and arrays are iterable. Thus we can loop through strings. Example: alphabets is equal to abside. For I in alphabets. Print I. Output: A, B, C, D, E.